Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. It's Grim Reaper Gaming. In today's how-to video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Realism Beyond Graphics mod by OreoShaman. First things first, I want to show you the 5 sources that I'm going to be using in today's video. The first one is WinRAR. WinRAR is a software that's used to open up WAR and zip files. OpenIV is used to open OIV files, which is what Realism Beyond Graphics is. It's an OIV file. RTGI cinematic presets are in any file. Those can be dragged and dropped. And in order to actually use these any files, you're going to have to install the Reshade application. I will have all the sources linked in the description below. Before we proceed, if you don't have WinRAR or OpenIV installed, stop the video now and install them. If you already have WinRAR and OpenIV installed, we can head over to Discord. And then head over to Realism Beyond. You should already have access to this if you follow OreoShaman on Patreon. Remember, you have had to have already purchased the Best Supporter tier to have access to Realism Beyond graphics mods. Now head over to Download. Right here will be the Realism Graphics Mods download link. Go ahead and download that. Next, download the RTGI Cinematic Presets link down below. Once we have that, we can head over to OpenIV, where we will install these mods. Before we begin, I will have you head over to your game files folder, located when you first installed GTA 5. I already have mine pulled up, so I'm going to put it up right here on the right, while I have my OpenIV on the left. As you may notice, my gaming folder looks different than yours. That's because I have other various mods installed on my GTA 5. You're going to right click, go to New, and hit Folder. Once folder pops up, go ahead and type mods. Close OpenIV and open it back up. Be sure to select Grand Theft Auto 5 Windows Edition. Head over to Tools, ASI Manager, and be sure to install the ASI loader OpenIV.asi. Go ahead and close once installed. Now we can begin installing the mod. Locate your Realism Beyond Graphics mod that you downloaded from the link. Mine is located in my GTA 5 mods folder. I'm going to reorganize this. I'm going to have my mod on my left, my game folder on my right, and OpenIV in the middle. Open up the GTA 5 Realism Beyond 1.01 folder. Click on Installing folder. As you see here, this is the GTA 5 Realism Beyond 1.0.1 OIV file that can be installed using the OpenIV. We're going to right click, extract to a specified folder, click on Desktop, and click OK. Now that we have that done, head over to OpenIV. Head over to Open Package Installer and search for the Realism Beyond OIV file located at your desktop. Click on the GTA 5 Realism Beyond OIV file. Open it. Click Install. You'll notice that this is the mods folder that we created. Click on that. Install. Once it is installed, you can click Close. Now that we have the Realism Beyond OIV file installed, for those of you that would like a reshade preset, click on GTA 5 Realism Beyond file. Click on Optional file. And here we have the ENB settings and the RTGI reshade setting. Enter the ENB settings. Here are the any files that we can drag and drop into our Grand Theft Auto gaming folder. Simply drag and drop. I already have them installed, so I'm going to hit Replace Files. Now we can head back. Head to RTGI Reshade Preset folder. And now we can drag and drop the default preset any folder. Now that we are done installing the graphics mod and the reshade presets, we can head and exit the folder. Now before we begin, there are a few more steps that will need to be taken before we can start playing. You'll be launching GTA 5 from a shortcut on your desktop. For the sake of the video, I have deleted my shortcut to show you the steps in order to play GTA 5 modded. You're going to right click on your GTA 5 application, go over to Send, and send to Desktop. Once it's done, right click and go to Properties. Now, the next step is very important. Press the right arrow key, press the space bar, hit the dash key. Now type SC capital O for offline, capital O for only. Now hit apply. We can exit this, exit our gaming folder, and exit OpenIV. Now one last thing, open up your Steam. As GTA 5 updates, your Steam launcher or Rockstar launcher will update your files in GTA 5 shortcut, making your GTA 5 unusable. So to prevent the update, we're going to head over to Steam Settings, Downloads. Now you want to uncheck this box right here. Go ahead and click OK. We're going to head over to GTA 5 in your library. Go to Properties, head over to Updates, and click this drop down arrow. And make sure you have only update this game when I launch it. Click Close. You're also going to want to go to Interface in the Steam settings. And be sure to uncheck Run Steam when my computer starts. And then click OK. Now, you also want to ensure that you're signed into your Rockstar Games launcher. Once done, minimize Steam, head over to our GTA 5 shortcut with the mods installed, double click. If this prompt does not show up, ensure that you click on your Steam application. Once done, click OK. If it still doesn't pop up, go back to the shortcut, right-click, hit Properties, and ensure you have followed the guidelines. As the game loads, please be patient. One way to ensure that you've installed the Reshade preset properly, you'll get a black bar at the top of your game. Now before you begin playing, you may want to go to Settings and check your graphics and advanced graphics settings to ensure they are correct. Once you have done that, you may now exit your settings. To open the Reshade preset, hit Home. The last step in this video will be to choose your pre-shade settings. I have only chosen 3: Vibrance, Letterbox, and Real Grain. These are my pre-shade settings for GTA 5. If I have helped you in any way and you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Now enjoy this gameplay footage of the graphic mods that we have installed.